a large size 55 litre top box. Keys. That's massive. It seems like all the mounting hardware's inside. So using the supplied keys. Instruction manual. Mounting plate. Mounting hardware. It's finding a position I like on there. This is a Ventura rack, which I've cut the top off, so it will take a top box. Unfortunately, no top box manufacturers made a back rack for this model. It's a Yamaha Scorpio. So I'm just going to fix these brackets. I'll be back with you soon. What's up, buddy? So it turns out those brackets aren't suitable for my setup, so I'm going to reuse these off the old top box plate. Okay, mounting bolts there. It's now just time to tighten them all up. Note I have used a little bit more than specified, just to make sure it's nice and strong. Okay, everything is now on and tight, meaning it's not going to go anywhere. Let's see how it fits on. So the tongue goes into there. Okay, that's in. Now I've just locked it by accident. The last step for installation is to tighten this up. Tight enough so it doesn't rattle when the bike has been driven. Pretty darn big. Let's see what it will hold. Jacket, helmet. Yes, good.